Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay A Road Accident. A few days ago, I had to go to Faisalabad from Multan. The bus started early in the morning. The bus was new and comfortable. There were only 25 passengers. The conductor of the bus expected to have more passengers on the way. The driver was in good mood and was going a bit fast. Nobody knew what lay from him next. We had covered only a distance of 5 miles when we met an accident. The bus was running very speedily when suddenly there came a jump on the road. The driver was not alert. The bus took a sudden jump from the ground. The driver applied brakes, but the brakes failed. The bus struck the ground and the tie rod was broken. The driver lost control over the steering and the bus crashes into a big tree. I was thrown out of my seat into the air, fell on the ground, and was unconscious. When I came to my senses, I saw a horrible scene. Around me were the laying injured and dead persons. The front part of the bus was missing. No cry, no mourning. Perhaps I was the only person in senses. But I could not keep on my senses any longer. I was again senseless. But what I had seen would haunt me forever. When I opened my eyes again, I found myself in the hospital. 5 passengers died in the hospital, 10 were injured, but they were out of danger. I was one of them. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell also.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay A Road Accident.